What's going on, everybody on YouTube? You're tuned in back into Whetu. Got a couple of packages that I got sent to the house while I was away at work. I got a few pairs of shoes, got some clothes to wear out this weekend when we go down the Gold Coast. We'll do an unboxing of everything. We'll start with clothes first and then work our way to the shoes. This video is just going to be a quick unboxing, let you know everything I've got. I will be doing a comprehensive review on some of the shoes this week. That will include on feet and just go into the texture they use, all that kind of good stuff. So we'll start up with the clothes, get into that first, and then work our way to the end. Okay, so one of the presents Ash got me was actually this G-Shock watch. It is the GA110MB1ADR. It is an analog and a digital watch. She got me this just to wear up to work because at the moment I have been wearing my DGK G-Shock watch. So I just want something black, a little bit more neutral, and one that I could thrash a little bit more. That was my first pickup. Thanks, Ash. She's also got me another present that's going to be coming in the mail hopefully on Monday. And that package is coming from Detroit. And if you know your sneaker stores, you'll know where that's coming from. Alright, next item. Okay, next pickup I got a pair of jeans from Glue. So I got a pair of raw denim stretch skinny jeans. These are from a brand called, it's like Denham or something like that. No, it's like it's supposed to say denim, but it's spelled D-E-N-H-A-M. I've been wanting to pick up another pair of blue skinnies for a while now. I've been running the same pair for about 3 years now, and the ones that I have at the moment, they're just 100% cotton, so just straight denim, where these have a 2% spandex in them. They're a little bit more stretchy and a little bit more give. My other raw denims that I have, the blue is starting to fade on them a bit, so I think to try and savor these and so they don't run, instead of washing them, I think I'm just going to be putting these in the freezer every now and again. As a good alternative to wash your jeans. You just put them in a plastic bag and put them in the freezer overnight, and it actually gets rid of all the odor and everything in your jeans. So saves you washing them all the time and washing all that blue dye, so it just keeps them crispy and clean. So I got these to wear out when we're down the Gold Coast this weekend, and I finally came across a pair that I liked. I think these retailed for $170 and they're on sale for $120, so save 50 bucks there. So if you want to pick up a pair, I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can get them. So that's my first pickup, a pair of Denham raw denim skinny jeans. Alright, next up we got a t-shirt from Dead Studios. Ended up going on their online website. This t-shirt actually retailed for $79.95. It was a nice color and I really liked it, so I wanted to pick it up. But just before I went to check out, I actually seen they had a coupon code for 50% off. So I actually ended up picking it up for $40, so I was super happy on that. Packaging from Dead Studios is pretty cool. It comes in a black Dead Studios bubble wrap bag, and then inside it's also in another sleeve. The color on this is actually a bit different to what I've seen on the store. It seemed to be more blue when I bought it, but it's more of a mint green. But that's still cool, it's still a dope color, and I'll still be able to rock it. But yeah, that's the second pickup from Dead Studios. Next pickup I got a package in from Platypus. Also got these to wear out this weekend. So as you can see, it is a pair of Vans, old school true white. I've always had a few pairs in the old schools in the black and white colorway, but I've never had them in the all white colorway. So they don't really need too much explaining. I'm sure you've all seen them before, just your classic old school in the white. But wanted to pick up a pair of these for a while. There wasn't really a rush on it, you know, they are generally issued, they come out all the time. Yeah, this weekend came up, had an outfit in mind, wanted to cop these. But I'm starting to second guess whether I'm going to wear these this weekend. I'm not too sure if I want to wear these all white old schools, or if I want to go ahead and cop a fresh pair of the white on white Air Force One lows. But we'll throw the outfit together, see how it goes. Got to head out on Friday. Got to go do a vlog in the city. I'm picking up Ash's anniversary present, which you guys will come along for the ride. When I go pick that up, I'll decide then and there whether I want to get the Air Force One or not, or if I'm just going to stay rocking with the old school whites. But regardless if I wear them this weekend or not, still good to have them in the collection. I'm sure I'll find somewhere down the track where I'm going to wear them. But because these are made of canvas, I will make sure that I give them a good dose of Crep Protect before I wear them out, just to keep them as white as I possibly can while I'm out. So that's the third pickup. Don't need to go into it too much. You've all seen it. That is the Vans old school true white. Alright, next up I got a package in from Hype. Ordered these about 3 weeks ago. Did a review on the same shoe as this while I was up north, just in a different colorway. So if you saw that episode, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link right up here or here, so you can go and check out that video. It's super dope unboxing. So we'll get into this one. Now we got a pair of Adidas i592-3s. This is the all black colorway with the white stripes. When I bought my navy pair, I asked them if they had my size, and they didn't end up having my size, so that's why I ordered them online. But he did give me a heads up on these releasing, so I was waiting for these to drop. One night I was lying in bed and I was just scrolling through Hype, Platypus, Foot Locker, just everything, just to see what was out. And then I actually ended up seeing these on the website, and they already had a size that had already sold out. And I was gonna wait until my payday came around to pick a pair up, but then I thought, nah, I'll just pull the trigger on it now, pick up a pair. And luckily I did, because the next day they were all sold out. So I'm super glad I pulled the trigger on that one. Get the second one out of here. Ditch this box, so we don't need that anymore. And there they are. There's the all black Adidas i592-3. Now these used to be called the Nikis, they're now the i592-3. If you didn't know that and you want to hear a little bit more about it, again, go back to my other shoe review. I go into a little bit more on what actually happened to the Niki name and why and how it ended up on i592-3. Just clear up any confusion to anyone. The i592-3 is the exact same as the Niki. So it's no different, just had some issues with the naming. Want to know why? There's the link again, hit it, go find out. But yeah, these are super sick. These are going to be super easy to wear. Just an all black shoe, white stripes. The last pair I ended up getting, and they were the black with the white bottoms with the silver stripes. I ended up getting those in a 12.5 because I felt the 13 was a bit big. But I have to say there really is quite the difference between the 13 and the 12.5, more than I expected. I can still wear them. My toes are a bit jammed at the front, and they don't actually come with insoles in these, so it's not as if you pull the insole out and it opens it up size and a half. So I ended up going with the 13 again. These look super sick. I like to lace these up super loose and just have the sides hang down. Because the shoes are all one upper, you don't have to worry about the tongue sliding around everywhere. Your foot will still stay securely into the shoe like it's a sock. Always like rocking them a little bit loose, makes it a bit more casual. I will be doing a more in-depth review on these in the coming days. Show you the on-feet, show you the different materials, different kinds of close-ups, so stay tuned for that one. So that is my, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is my 5th pickup for the video. There's the Adidas i592-3, the all black and white. Now this is the package I have been waiting for. I was super stoked to secure a pair of these while online. When I was up north, I did have a few options on how I was going to cop them online. I knew this was going to be a super hype release and they were going to be hard to get. So I ended up just doing my research a couple of days before, seeing who was releasing them and when they were going to release them. So Foot Locker actually ended up doing a midnight release on these ones. So that was going to be my first try. It said they released at 12 AM and I just figured that was 12 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time, which I live in Queensland. So that is the Australian Eastern Standard Time. But it actually was the Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time, and I didn't see the D in there.
Congratulations. You played yourself.
So I ended up lucking out on that. It was 11:30. I just went to go check, just see what was going on the site, and they were all sold out. And that's when I realized they actually released them at 11 o'clock my time, which was 12 o'clock New South Wales time. So that one was out. I think my next option was a sneaker store in New Zealand called Loaded in Auckland. They were releasing them at 5 AM Australia time online. So try to cop them, waited for the countdown to tick down. Once it did, I went size 13, add to cart, let it load a bit, lucked out on that, sold out straight away. My next option was to try Kicks 101. They released at 8 o'clock Queensland time. So once that had clocked down, 13, add to cart, got through. I already had an account with them, so my shipping details were already in there. I just had to press next, put in my card details, and then went to confirm order. Had my fingers crossed on this one. I'd gotten this far. It was loading, loading, loading. Locked out, sold out. So my last option was to go from Nike.com, which was at 6 o'clock that night. Once again, waited for the countdown, said to come up, added 13, jumped in line, got through, put my details in, put my payment details in. I had to do it a couple of times, connection kept dropping or something just kept happening, and I was literally freaking out because this was my last chance to get them for retail. But we got through, we secured the sneakers, took a W on this one, so let's get into it. I'm gonna open it nice and softly to make sure I don't cut anything I'm not supposed to. Open these up here. I had these before, last time they released. Ended up thrashing them. I think I was about 21 at the time, last time I had them. Ended up thrashing them so bad, and then I ended up just selling them for $100 to a mate of mine, just because they were that bad. But as you can see, Jordan box, we got the re-up pair, and this is much better than the last release they did. And if you don't know what shoe it is, I'm sure by now you can figure it out. You do have the Jordan 3 box, size 13, and it is the black fire red cement grey. So you open it up, you do have that elephant print paper, nicely folded. Open it up, look at that. That's not a Jumpman tag, no. That's that Nike Air tag. Whoa, pull these out. Cannot believe we got the W on this one. I'll get that second one out. Again, digital box. And there it is. It is the Air Jordan Black Cement 3s with the Nike Air on the back. We have not seen the Nike Air on the back since 2001, and Jordan Brand has blessed us with that again. Everybody knows, like, if you have the Nike Air on the back, it just makes your Jordan shoe that much more special. When the True Blue 3s came out, wasn't too fussed on picking those up just because of the Nike Air on the back. I do have the last release in the True Blue 3s, and to be honest, I don't think I've ever worn them, so I wasn't going to try and pick up the True Blue 3s just for the Nike Air on the back. But I did need these. I would like to get the White Cement 3s with the Nike Air on the back. The White Cement 4s with the Nike Air on the back, still need a whole pair of those. I used to have all these, but I just thrashed them all. They all had the Jumpman logo on the back. One of the things I do like about this release, you can see this side panel here just doesn't seem as glossy as what the last ones did. Just trying to get my Jordans back up again. I'm not actually really wearing Jordans much at the moment. Trying to get my favorites back, and I'm super glad I got these Black Cement 3s back. And I will be doing a comprehensive review on these as well. This one will definitely be coming up. If I cannot bust it out tomorrow, I will be doing a vlog on Friday, so that counts that out, and then I'll be away Saturday, Sunday, so it'll have to be sometime next week. I'm sure everyone's seen a lot of on-feet reviews, a lot of reviews of this shoe, but I'm still gonna make one anyway. Super happy I took the W on this one. So this is my biggest pickup for this haul. This is the Air Jordan Black Cement 3s with that Nike Air on the back. And that pretty much sums up all the packages I got in the mail for while I was away at work. Like I said, I've got another package coming on Monday, which is another dope Jordan pickup. So look forward to that one. I will be doing an unboxing, and of course I will be doing a review. So that concludes my pickups for today, guys. Stay tuned for the Adidas I-953 review video. Stay tuned for the Air Jordan Black Cement 3 video. And stay tuned for the vlogs that I'll be doing this weekend. Gonna be super dope, so much fun. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I will see you in the next video. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on